Para letter from Balaji and Company, Hyderabad to Messrs. Gopal and Sons, New Delhi. Para dear sirs, we are much obliged to you for your order which we have just now received, but we regret to state that we are not in a position to supply immediately all the vessels that you require. There has been great demand for the goods in the market, so the stocks that we had have been sold out. However, we have started manufacturing new vessels and hope that we will be able to supply them before the end of next week. We trust that you will understand the position currently and will await the supply. Para, we take this opportunity to inform you that in view of the large demand, we have now decided to raise the prices by 10%. We hope and trust that the new prices will be acceptable to you and we will continue to have good business relations. Yours faithfully, Para, speaking at the conference of women and their role in development of society, the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh said, Para, ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of great privilege that India is chosen as the venue for holding the conference dealing with the role of women in society. There is a keen awareness in the world today of the need for full participation by women in economic, social, and political life of the community. If half the human population consisting of women does not participate on equal terms with men, it is not possible to ensure full development of the society. We are aware that in our drawing country pencils, para, we have not always received the drawing notebooks, a place you had already agreed honor to send us our women, as we have several orders on hand. We hope to receive the same as soon as possible that if it was for any reason his belief will not be possible that the to send role of required women quantity of in development of request society you kindly to send is very important at least 4 or 5 the fundamental rights immediately further guarantee rights and freedoms both to men and women without any difference. It is necessary to note that we have a large democracy and the government tries to protect the economic, social, and political rights of each individual.